Everyone is talking about India. From being a bright spot for investments to G20, India is all over the news. And well, a new report suggests that India loaded wealth when others were losing. What does this report say? Why is the world bullish on India's growth story? Hello and welcome. I'm Pallavi Sharma and you're watching MoneyWise with ET Now. Let's begin.
We're definitely bullish on India, no question about that.
India is aiming to become the third largest economy after becoming the fifth largest last year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says during his third term, which is in the next 5 years, India will achieve this goal.
तीसरे टर्म में दुनिया की पहली 3 इकोनॉमीज में एक नाम भारत का होगा.
A K-shaped recovery in India is seen to be a strong trend, but as per several economists, India has now beaten almost all countries in terms of wealth creation. India is home to some of the most richest people in the world, including Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani. A report by Credit Suisse in collaboration with UBS offered estimates of wealth holdings of 5.4 billion adults across the globe in various wealth brackets. It found that for the first time since global financial crisis of 2008, global household wealth in 2022 registered a collective decline both in real and nominal terms. Wealth per adult also saw the second largest reduction since the turn of the century. It said that the decline may be due to the COVID-19 pandemic and rising prices. However, India and Singapore defied the decline trend. In nominal US dollar terms, the net private wealth in the world contracted by $11.3 trillion to reach 454 trillion US dollars in 2022. Wealth per adult also saw a decline by 3,100 US dollars to $84,000 per adult. The reason was mainly due to devaluation of various currencies against the US dollars. In 2022, the US, Japan, Canada, China and Australia witnessed the most significant decline in wealth. But India, along with Russia, Mexico and Brazil, saw the largest wealth expansion. On an average, wealth per adult in India has grown at an annual rate of 8.7% since 2000, reaching $16,500 by 2022, an increase of 2.8% compared to the previous year, and the total household wealth also grew 4.6%. Indian share prices were also gaining when other markets' values were falling. After surging 31% in 2021, Indian share prices witnessed a modest gain of 2.4% in 2022. Investors and analysts are bullish on Indian markets. Legendary emerging markets investor Mark Mobius is famous for betting on China, but this time he begs to differ. In an interview with Bloomberg, he said that he sees real future in India. To ET Now, he said that India is highly attractive among emerging markets and that a 7% GDP growth in Q1 means that good companies with good returns on capital will double that of GDP growth. So the outlook remains bullish. Not only the stock markets, but India's ultra-rich net worth individuals with a net worth of $30 million or more are projected to increase by 58.4% in the next 5 years, reaching 19,000 individuals by 2027 from 12,000 in 2022 as per a report. The billionaire population is also expected to grow to 195 individuals in 2027, up from 161 in 2022. The population of high net worth individuals in India with assets valued over $1 million are also set to double in the next 5 years. The number was at 7,97,000 individuals in 2022. The global population of ultra HNIs experienced a decline of 3.8% as wealth and investment portfolios were impacted amid economic slowdowns. Further, the report says for India, the middle class is the fastest growing segment, rising at 6.3% per year between 1995 to 2021. It represents 31% of the population and is expected to be 38% by 2032 and 60% by 2047. As per reports, India's middle class will play the hero in the growth of the economy because they will be more in number and act as the employer and the employee, the consumers and the producers, and agents of political change. So all in all, the report suggests India is in the bright spot now and in the near future. For more such news and updates, subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.